You didn't notice that I had one right here in my glasses the whole time. There, my product pick of the week this week, it's the ItsyBitsy M4. Got one of our round displays. This is a GC9A01A driver. And I've got the ItsyBitsy right here on a breadboard. I have connected it up to all of the broken out pins for the display there. And this is a sketch that Todd Kurt put together. It's up on his GitHub. You can see it uses a potentiometer to adjust the positioning of that. And one of the beautiful things about this running on the ItsyBitsy M4 is how fast it runs. Look how quick that display update is. We've got no flickering. This is a nice display here that I can see from all angles as well. ItsyBitsy keeps up with this. The ItsyBitsy is fast. It's really capable for driving displays, really capable for synth I/O stuff. ItsyBitsy M4.